So first off, I just want to thank everyone who's been donating to our GoFundMe. You guys are awesome. We've actually raised enough money to probably get this car over to hopefully body by the end of this month. We're still reaching out to Subaru of America to see if they can help us with parts or anything. So yeah, anyway, here's a little quick update of what my team's been working on. Curious to see. Oh no, it's never easy, man.
No. Okay.
That's what it's making? Oh. Whew. What was that fell off? Oh, just more parts of car?
Yeah. Yeah, now you can really see the upper control arm.
Right? Yeah, that thing definitely went pretty far forward. That tow rod, I can see right through the, right down there, the tow rod is like a banana.
Yeah.
So, I think this front track rod also, I think it moved too when I was underneath and looking at it. Yep, that was a hard hit. We'll get this thing, because this is obviously bent. We'll get this over to Aaron and see if he can recover that wheel. It's got a pretty good bend in it.
Yeah, on both sides.
Yeah, the front one was
It's
it's
pretty even though. It's like,
yeah, I bet you if you throw that on the balancer, it'll probably still spin. Hi, Aaron. We've got some. Speaking of Aaron has walked into the store right now.
Speaking of me.
Yeah. Shockingly.
What do I have to? Oh, you're here too. What's up?
Everybody's here.
7?
So look what we found that we need you to fix. Not the car, the wheel. Regamaster.
Bendy
boy, cranky boy.
Bendy boy. Forged.
Oh yeah, that one down there.
Yeah, and one on the other side too. Yeah.
Oh.
Taco.
Yeah, we were hoping we could save it, or you could save it, I should say.
Probably.
We were just talking about. I bet you Aaron could save this one.
I hope so. It's high quality stuff. It shouldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, getting back to work. I'm going to cut pretty much not as much, but a lot of the arch or the rear quarter out.
Give me what I want, don't you stop.
Think that'll be enough to shove a wheel in there?
Yeah, I'm thinking if I pull it out, I mean the wheel's gonna be like right here.
What are those 5x114?
It should be. Yeah,
These are 5x114. You can always take one of these and test it.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's going to hit on the front because of the suspension.
Yeah.
It's pushed forward, but you can kind of see it cleared out enough area that we can roll it. Yeah. So I already gave the other wheel to Aaron.
Yeah.
So Aaron's going to fix the other one and then put a new tire on. I just want to see if this area right here was cleared out enough that we could put a wheel on it and then put it on the ground, which I think probably would work. Yeah, if this was back to where it belongs.
Yeah,
might have to.
I'll probably have to trim a little bit here.
But yeah, so I think that's probably enough to.
We should get a wheel. Once we get the wheel
Yeah,
back,
once we get the wheel and tire back,
we'll trim what we need.
we'll see what else. But I think that's enough to at least put the wheel back on once we've straightened the suspension out.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Give me what I want, don't you stop.
got the 2 arms off.
Oh, look how bent that thing was. Look at
Yeah.
that. Show the camera that thing.
I didn't show them that.
Look at this. That thing took a hit. Well, I mean, the car took a hit, but that thing ain't straight anymore.
Yeah. Oh, she's not happy. Give me you.
Shit up.
Yeah, she's not happy. She's seen better days.
Oh wow.
Done did it.
Done. Did it. All on one battery. So yeah, as you expect, stuff's a little out of whack because this arm, it kind of tacoed as well. You can kind of see on that side, but luckily this stuff's not terribly expensive. So we intend on putting this corner back together. Hopefully end of next week, maybe the week after. We have the parts on the way already, and that way we can at least put the car back on the ground. The wheel is actually being fixed right now, and we had a spare tire for it because it's actually the same size as my car. So yeah, hopefully we put this back together in about a week or so. Oh, yeah, now that you can flex it, that one should come out. Yeah, it was just bound up because of the arms had so much tension on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, when you crinkle it like that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the cracking.
Yeah, that's all. It's definitely collapsed.
I wonder if the weld held.
It's Subaru makes good stuff, man.
Yeah.